Divide 876 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 6. So we put down this 7 and it is 27. 6 times 4 is 24. On subtracting we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 6. So we put down this 6 and it is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. On subtracting we get 0. So 876 divided by 6 is 146. So this much for today and thanks for watching.